I'm just going to brief you on my understanding of lymphocyte traffic. Well, before I even start explaining what it is, I should say that it happens in the lymphoid organs. As you can see in this diagram, the lymphoid organs are classified into two, the primary lymphoid organs and the secondary lymphoid organs. The primary lymphoid organs are the sites of maturation of lymphocytes, and they include the thymus and the bone marrow. The secondary lymphoid organs is where the interaction with antigen occurs. It includes the spleen, the lymph node, and the Peyer's patches. Well, lymphocyte traffic is mostly about the movements of lymphocytes from the primary lymphoid organs to the secondary lymphoid organs. Lymphocyte traffic is an essential requirement for an immune response, both in lymphoid tissues and local inflammatory sites. Lymphocytes travel to the secondary lymphoid organs to encounter antigens acquired from the environment via blood. Now let's see how this happens. Lymphocytes are both B and T cells. Well, B cells mature in the bone marrow, T cells mature in the thymus. Well, it goes like this. It's BB and TT. Bone marrow, B cells, thymus, T cells. Right. And I will only focus on the thymus and the lymph node. Thymocytes in the thymus express both the CD4 and CD8, but when they leave the thymus, they should only express either one of them, either CD4 or CD8. The lymph node contains blood vessels which later become capillaries, and capillaries are microscopic blood vessels located between an arteriole and a venule through which materials are exchanged. At the end of these capillaries are high endothelial venules, which are lined by epithelial cells which express a cell surface receptor called a CHO ligand, that is a carbohydrate ligand. And then the blood circulating around this HEV contains T cells, which express a cell surface receptor called L-selectin. Once the CHO ligand and the L-selectin interact with each other, they will cause the T cell to stop circulating, and now that's where the chemokines come in. Chemokines are very important in controlling the migration of cells between and within the tissues. The release of chemokines causes the T cell to move to the lymph node tissue through the two adjacent lymph node tissue cells where they will interact with an APC. Now that's the whole point of lymphocyte traffic. It is to encounter an antigen. Now here, the T cell will be activated, and then right after activation by an antigen, lymphocytes behave like inflammatory cells and avoid returning back to the secondary lymphoid tissues. Here, they differentiate, they multiply, and then they move to the site of infection, where they will locate and eliminate microbes. Thank you.